Welcome to our YouTube channel Score Band. Here you will get tips and tricks about how to get good band scores in exam. In this video you will learn about a sample answer of a cue card, describe a website which helped you to do something. But before starting the cue card, we request you that, if you have any queries related to any cue card, you are free to ask us in the comments section, and we will try to solve your queries as soon as possible, and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's get started with the cue card. Here is the sample answer. As technology has continued to advance, more and more websites have been created to help people with everyday activities. One of these websites is YouTube, which I discovered and have been using for a few years now. It has become an invaluable tool, and I visit it almost daily. Here I would like to talk about how I learned about YouTube, how it has helped me, and why I continue to visit it often. I heard about YouTube 5 years ago when my friends were talking about it in school. They said it was a great website with tons of different videos and music. They also said that it was easy to use and that you could watch whatever you wanted to. After hearing all this, I decided to check it out and see what it was all about. I was amazed at what I saw, so I decided to make an account and use it more often. Since then, YouTube has been a great help to me. I have watched videos on various topics, such as cooking, music, movies, and so much more. Not only can I watch videos, but I can also upload my videos, which has been great for sharing my work with friends and family. Additionally, I can join different groups and connect with people with similar interests. This has been great for networking and learning about different events or activities in my area. I visit YouTube often because it is such an easy and convenient way to watch whatever I want, whenever I want. There is always something new to watch, and the website is constantly updated with new videos and content. Additionally, I can easily connect with other people who have similar interests as me. This helps me stay up to date on what's happening in the world and stay in touch with friends and family. YouTube is an amazing website that has helped me in many ways. It is easy to use, and there is always something new to watch. I can connect with people who have similar interests as me, and I can watch whatever I want, whenever I want. It has become an invaluable tool, and I visit it almost daily. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties, then ask your doubts in comments section.